Yes, Doctor, we have been told that quite a number of Zimbabweans live in the rural areas. But if we go there, sometimes we don't see these people. But when we are in the urban areas, the infrastructure cannot cope with the number of people that are living in urban areas.
Yes.
Do you think demographically it's correct and it's true, or it is a political statement that may be used to rig elections by saying the ruling party stronghold is in the rural areas? So when it comes to counting the voters, they will say, because it is our stronghold, so you expect quite a number of people to be in Murambinda. But if you go there, house by house, there might not be that,
That could be. Could be. I've never trusted the numbers that are proffered by the Zimbabwean government anyway in the past 20 years or so, because things are so broken, it's hard to account for anything.
Because I've seen everyone who finishes school comes to the urban area, who finishes. So how then is the number continue growing and becoming a stronghold of one political party?
Yeah, to be honest with you, I suspect that there's some fudging of the numbers there. But here's the thing. To address the issue that you're talking about of urban congestion and so on, we have to service even the rural communities. We have to really, that's why I said we need an integrated agricultural recovery plan and a rural development plan. If we do that, because the person who is in the rural areas doesn't need to feel that they can't live in the rural areas in order for them to have a good life. You can have running water, because all it takes in a village with 10 houses and so on is to have one common tank which is elevated, and then you service that community. And what it takes to do that is also conscientizing our people in the cities. You have a home in the rural areas. Why is it that you're a CEO of a company, but when you go to your home area, you're still squatting in a pit latrine? It says something about not just governments, but also the way that we educated Zimbabweans who are in the upper income bracket, the way we think. So there has to be a conscious investment in the development of rural infrastructure as well, because then that will make it easier for people to stay there. They must feel like they can be on the internet, even in the rural areas. They can watch television, they can watch sports and so on. And that's very, very important. Then you're going to address the issue of urban congestion.
In 1 minute, why should I and them vote for BZA?
We have done what we needed to do to honor the Zimbabwean people by presenting our ideas, doing our due diligence, and releasing this manifesto. You know what? There is nobody who is entitled to the vote of the Zimbabwean people. We must all work for it. Here's one thing that I can promise you. We are going to work hard for your vote. We are not going to take it for granted. We believe that there are many, many, many Zimbabweans who could do a great, great job of rebuilding our country. And all we are doing is presenting our ideas and saying, this is who we are. Test us, question us, connect with us, and find out if we are the people who we say we are. And at the end of the day, I truly believe that if you do, you're going to find that indeed.
Dr. Manyika, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is your program, #TheCandidate 2018. Are you aspiring to be one of the leaders? Get in touch with our producers on the numbers that are on the screen or in the inbox. On behalf of the technical crew, Julius Patterson, Ivan Tawaguta, and Sylvester Tafumane, my name is Robert Tafumane. See you in the next program. Bye-bye.